Napakaganda ng sinabi ni James Dikin dito. Sabi niya dito, just got off a Zoom hearing with the Anti-Red Tape Authority and I have to say, I'm genuinely impressed. The hearing ran almost for an hour and the LTO lawyer spent most of it delivering long winding explanations of full legalese. The ARTA lawyer cut through it all with one simple question. In your Citizens Charter, is requiring an ORCR one of your official requirements when settling a traffic violation? Boom! A yes or no, a black and white. It's over. And hindi nga kailangan ng ORCR. Diba? Boom! Now we have a clear understanding. Now, sabi niya dito sa dulo, my biggest concern through all this was teaching my son that rules matter and that we improve as a society by following them. Boom! Ang ganda. The LTO let me down badly and it cut deep, but at least now I can tell him there's accountability even when the government agency don't play by the rules. And that means something. Our system is not perfect, but thrashing it and not following something or the rules dahil lang sa hindi ito perfecto is not making any progress at all. Kasi magbaback to zero na naman tayo. Kung ano man yung sistema natin ngayon, 'di ba? We just need to improve it. Improve it how? Of course, by following the system first and then you identify kung ano yung mali, ano yung dapat palitan. Masyado kasi tayong nadala doon sa mga reklamador sa rally na, ibagsak. Lahat na lang nakabagsak. 'Di ba? Wala man lang silang i-improve. May gulay. Lahat ibagsak, lahat baguhin. Kami lang ang pwedeng makapagtama ng... My God, kaya ang daling utuin ng Pilipino. ...2026 na. I hope na yung ganitong mindset hindi man maging lahat, but at least marami yung makasalo at makarealize on how important it is. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.